What a fucking fantastic day at work today was. I am absolutely wrapped. I do look like a shaggy dog, but I just come in from kite surfing, had an awesome hour of power, and granted that to myself because everything was running so swimmingly today. One of my number one things to do is block out time for yourself. And we spent this morning, Frida and I, planning what we're going to do for the next 6 weeks. We're going to double down. We're going to go really hard with a lot of the things we want to, a lot of the goals we want to kick, a lot of the things we want to achieve. And we, part of that was first block out all of the time off that we're going to take. So what's all the time we're going to do to reward ourselves for every little inch that we get closer to our goals. And that's the number one thing you should do to make sure that you can keep yourself on track. Another thing as well is when you put yourself under a time pressure. So we realized after giving ourselves these certain chunks of time each week that we were going to dedicate to just one specific goal, and we realized we only have a finite amount of time for that to happen because your day gets out of control anyway. You get busy, the phone rings, you've got to answer emails, you've got to do jobs, you've got to do whatever it is to keep the wheels turning. But that doesn't do anything to do with your business growth. You have to spend time in planning and in in the growth phase of your business. And if you don't do that, you never get anywhere. You chase your tail for the next year, 2, 3, 4, 5 years, and then before you know it, you're like, wow, I've just been working my butter for 5 years, and what have I done with it? So definitely set your goals high, but give yourself opportunity to be rewarded, and do things that that you love, that make you get out of bed every day, every morning, and get you to keep going. And I hit the deck running today, and I knocked over 3 key jobs that I had to get done, and had some time in between, and went, fuck yeah, I'm gonna hit the water, go for an hour, go hard, absolutely wrapped, as you can see. And I've got another client to see this afternoon. I will go see them, happy as Larry, smile on the face, get it done, and then go home and relax for the afternoon. No work. Once 4 or 5 p.m. comes, no work. It's time for ourselves. It's time to look after us, cook, do some relaxation, do some reading or something like that. Anyway, that's me out for today. Enjoy the rest of your afternoon. See you soon. I've got some really cool stuff coming up. I want to give away some of these hacks of mine for free. Yeah, bye.